And for anyone who hasn't filed their taxes yet, we wanted to find out, should you do them yourself or go somewhere like H&R Block or maybe hire an accountant?
Well, as you know, it can get pretty expensive fast. Our consumer investigator, Danielle Serino, tells us if it's worth it.
Maureen Diemert is one busy lady. She works 3 jobs, 2 at restaurants and 1 at a school cafeteria.
I don't see where that's that confusing compared to big businesses and high rollers.
And she's right when it comes to her income, but add in a home mortgage and rental property, things get a little trickier.
All I do is save my things for the whole year, put it in a file folder, and give it to him.
CPAs Roger and Young charge her $395, which includes everything. A day later, they're done. This year, she's getting a more than $1,200 refund.
So tell me a little about yourself. Are you married or single?
But how would H&R Block compare? The largest and oldest tax prep company in the country. They have tax pros as opposed to CPAs, but by using Maureen's 2016 return as a guide, in more than just an hour, they were able to come out with a refund that was close to the CPAs, only $67 less. The downside? It cost $471.
I didn't like all the extra fees.
Plus, there are additional charges to issue a paper check.
You want to maximize your deductions and select all that apply.
But for $97, Maureen could file her federal and state taxes with TurboTax. Although, you know that saying, you get what you pay for?
I'd give up right now.
Maureen is admittedly not a computer whiz, and we ran into trouble within minutes.
The upload failed. The file you uploaded was a scanned copy.
So I jumped in, manually inputting all her wage info, which was fairly time-consuming. But all heck broke loose when dealing with her rental property.
Help!
All the maintenance expenses which had to be added up, and property depreciation, which was simply above our knowledge.
Get expert services.
So we decided to pay an additional $60 for their help program, but there was a 25-minute wait. That's when we just gave up after an hour and a half of trying to do her taxes on our own. Maureen says she doesn't like taxes, but does like her tax man best.